What's up guys, so today's video is all about Kodak filters. As you can see, I have Photoshop 7.0 version. Now I will show you guys how to install Kodak filters in Photoshop 7.0. It cannot be installed in the latest versions like CS6 and CC. So you can only install the Kodak filters in Photoshop 7.0. So you have to install the 7.0 version first. So I have already installed the Photoshop. So what am I gonna do? I will open this folder. The link is given below in the description. You guys can download it. So I will run the setup, and as you can see, there are different filters. Four filters actually. This one's for noise reduction. This one is for color grading purposes, and I'm gonna install this one, the Gem Airbrush. Okay, so I will install for Windows XP. Okay, so it's installing. Next, accept, complete. Okay, see, Kodak Gem Airbrush. Next, install. Actually, you need to close your Photoshop. I haven't done it, so I will do it now. Finish. Okay, so when you click on crack, it will open up this window, and what will you do is to go to crack folder and copy the Gem Airbrush. Where's the Gem Airbrush? And paste. Okay, right click Photoshop, open file location, and go to plugin folders. There it is. Go to filters and then paste the exact same file over there, the crack file. Copy and replace. Now open the Photoshop and let's see if it is working or not. Okay, so now when you're done with the installation process, you will open the Photoshop and open any picture, and before applying the filter, make a copy of this layer and then go to filters, Kodak. Here's our filter, Gem Airbrush Professional V2.0. Okay, now as you can see, it's opened. It's working perfectly fine. I will just enter OK. So now as you can see, the filter has been applied to the whole image instead of just the face. So what am I gonna do here? I will use the invert mask. Press Alt and click this mask icon. Now take your brush, change the color to white, and you can just brush it where you want to apply your filter. Alright, so here it is. This is before, this is after. Okay, that's it for today. The link is given below in the description. You can go download the filters and enjoy. Take care, peace out. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video.